Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Popsicles bomb. We will cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to advanced techniques. Get ready to transform simple fruit into incredibly delicious frozen treats. You will learn how to achieve perfect flavors, textures, and presentation. Let's dive in and create some truly amazing homemade popsicles that everyone will love. Now, let's get creative with flavor combinations. Think about pairing sweet berries with tangy citrus or tropical mango with a hint of lime. For a stunning visual, create layers by pouring one flavor, freezing it for about 30 minutes, then adding the next. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs like fresh mint or basil for an unexpected, refreshing kick. You can also add creamy elements like Greek yogurt or coconut milk for a richer texture. Achieving the perfect texture is key to a bomb popsicle. Ensure your ingredients are blended until completely smooth, preventing any icy bits. Once poured, freeze your popsicles for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are solid. When it's time to enjoy, simply run warm water over the outside of the mold for about 10 to 15 seconds for an effortless release. Remember not to overfill your molds, leaving about 1/4 of an inch at the top. Ready to take your popsicles to the next level? Try adding small pieces of fruit or mini chocolate chips to the mixture before freezing for an exciting textural surprise. For an extra decadent treat, dip your fully frozen popsicles into melted dark or white chocolate, allowing it to harden. Once made, store your delicious creations in an airtight container in the freezer. They will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 weeks, ready for you to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.